let's just get right into it. I'm tired of the YouTube algorithm. I just am. And I'm tired of all these so-called gurus who makes empty promises. And they all say the same thing, recycle the same thing, you know, how you can get 1,000 subscribers in 1 week, 7 days, 3 days, 1 month, how I got monetized in 1 day. All of this stuff. You don't have to make money. You don't have to be monetized to make money. Y'all, this is there's so much stuff. Make $5,000 a month if you follow this. You ain't making that $5,000 a month if you follow that. Some of y'all ain't gonna make it. That's just the reality. And what I don't like about YouTube nowadays is it just feels like, back in the day, it just felt like, you was actually learning something. You had a lot of channels teaching something. Now, it's just different. I'm trying to teach you something. I'm trying to teach people about video and lighting and all this stuff. But it seems like if I really want to blow up, I can act like it or just become homeless, not get a job, just let y'all know I'm homeless, look at my struggles, get my views, get monetized, and make money and still keep being homeless so I can keep making money. Because what happens after you don't become homeless? You know what I mean? Like, it just seems that way. Don't get me wrong. I'm not making fun of people who are homeless. I've been homeless. I know what it is. I know what it feels like. But my point is, it feels like a hustle, because now all of a sudden, if you're homeless, let me grab my phone and let the world know, so then I can get these views and I can depend on people to send me product and send me stuff and get my views instead of going to get a job, get yourself out of homelessness and still get the views. I mean, you know what I mean? It's like, I don't know. And some people might hate me for saying that, but it is what it is, all right? The algorithm is just weird. It's just weird. They tell you don't do shorts because people who watch shorts don't like long form. Don't do long form because if whoever does long form, you won't get no shorts. Man, which one is rich? And I'm getting to the point where, based off what I see how YouTube is acting, they're just going to give you stuff that you want to watch. Because right now, I can go on my YouTube channel. I can go on YouTube, watch something about how to make tiny homes, how to convert a van to a home. And then I can also watch about Unreal Engine and also watch about tech reviews. And I'm getting all of them. I'm getting them all offered to me. And I can switch up and start watching about pets. Now I'm getting pet channels. So do you need to niche down? I don't know. And don't take what I say as gospel, because I don't know, all right? I could be totally wrong. But what I'm seeing, they say the algorithm's always changing, and based off what I see, it's just going to serve you data. It's going to serve you whatever it is it can serve you that you like. So if I'm a channel and I work on Unreal Engine, video editing, and how to convert a van into a tiny home, it's going to show you that. I don't see why it wouldn't show you that. Unless the algorithm has an emotion. I don't know. Like, how is it going to confuse the algorithm? How does that make sense? It confuses the algorithm. It's just data. If you're talking about this and that person wants to learn about that, why wouldn't it just pick what you got and show it to them? And now I could be wrong. All right. I could be wrong, because I do see the benefit of niching down. I understand the concept of it. You are that's what it is, and nothing else. I get it. But based off how the algorithm is acting lately, I don't know if that's true anymore. I just don't. Because I see a lot of this, a lot of even just watching YouTube, man. Like I said, the so-called YouTube gurus who tell you how to, grow your channel, blah, 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 strategies, all this stuff. And yet, it just feels like they're preying on people's desires and dreams. Because a lot of people desire to be famous, to be famous as far as an influencer. They desire to leave their job and make money on YouTube and stay home and do videos and make money and travel and all this. They desire this, but not everyone's going to get it, and we know that's the real talk. Not everyone is going to get it. There's exceptions to all of these things, but not everyone's going to get it. Not everyone's going to be an influencer. Not everyone's going to make money. Not everyone's going to make anything on YouTube that's going to financially support them. Some will, some won't. That's the reality. You feel me? But it just feels like there's also a culture of YouTube that's just preying on people's dreams. And I used to hate them type of people when I used to do a lot of freelance work. They took advantage of people's wants and dreams and made them do things because they know that they're so desperate. They're going to listen. They're going to spend the money because they're desperation. And I can't stand them type of people. So if that's you, I'm talking to you. If it's not you, keep doing what you're doing, okay? So it is what it is. This is just my thoughts. You feel me? Because I've been doing YouTube for a while, and don't get me wrong, I've been okay at it. It hasn't been the greatest, but it hasn't been the worst either. I've got digital products that sell. I've done okay. I could be doing better. I want to do better. But I am what I am. I teach people how to do video, lighting, and stuff like that. That's what I do. Okay, I know that. I've been doing it for over 25 years. I'm very good at it. That's what I do. That's what I want to teach people. Something valuable, and I get it. There's room for it all. I'm not dissing people who has other channels talking about just their life. That could be valuable too, because you could learn something from someone's life. There's room for all of us. But I just don't like how the vibe of YouTube is lately. It just felt better, 10 years ago. It just felt better. People was teaching and it just was different. It was just different. I don't know how to explain it. If you've been a YouTuber a long time, then you would understand it, But I don't think it's gonna worry. I don't think you should worry about it no more. I'm almost not worrying about it no more. I'm gonna just put up shorts if I want to put up shorts. I'm gonna do long form like I always do. Whoever like it, gonna like it. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I'm gonna talk about me and my belief system with God, because I'm a man of God. I believe in God. I believe in Jesus. That's a big part of my life. I'm going to just talk about it when I want to. Now, I'm not going to become this faith-based channel. I teach video, but I'm also a person who is developed and focused and structured around God as well. So once in a while, I want to talk about my faith. I might mention it here and there, and that's what it is. You don't like it? Yo, listen, please unsubscribe. It's that easy. Just like it's easy for me to unsubscribe from you if I don't like what you're doing. Please unsubscribe. If you don't like the fact that once in a while I might talk about my faith, it is what it is. You feel me? But, I don't know. I just don't think it matters. And like I said, I could be wrong. It could matter. I don't think it matters. Because the YouTube's going to give you what it's going to give you. It's all over the place, yo. I'm saying the truth. It's all over the place. So just concentrate on just doing what you love to do, whatever that is. If you love to teach about, planning, whatever. If you love to teach about woodworking, whatever it is that you love to do, just do it. And whatever happens, happens. That's all you can do. Do your best, do the best thumbnail you can, do the best hook you can, whatever that is, do your best title, whatever, and just put it out and keep putting it out until you get tired of it or until it grows. I don't know. I don't have all the answers. That's what this is all about, man. I'm just a bit, frustrated because when I see the stuff, the promises people make on YouTube to people who trying to get subscribers, it just feels like they're preying on people's dreams, and I hate that type of stuff, I understand giving someone information, But at the end of the day, it ends up almost becoming like the same information over and over again. You know what I mean? And it's like, okay, I heard you say that. Take me somewhere else with it. You know what I mean? It's like, but it works, and that's why they keep doing it. So I guess it's our fault because we watch it, right? Because they keep doing it, and it's working. You know what I mean? They getting the views. So whose fault is it, I guess, right? Whatever. But this is just my thoughts, man. This is just me thinking out loud, putting it on YouTube. And, if you watch it, appreciate you, And for those people who join my community, supporting the channel, just to support the channel, man, I really appreciate you. You know what I mean? I really do. Because at the end of the day, I love community. I want to know who you are. I want to meet you. I want to talk with you, comment with you. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really do. I don't want to just make stuff. And I like to know who's watching, get to know you. You know what I'm saying? So feel free to leave comments. I answer back to all of them as much as I can. You know what I mean? And yes, I have services. If people want extra services, of course, that's my time. Time is money. But I'm giving you something of value. You know what I mean? I'm not just going to waste your time. You feel me? But at the end of the day, just do what you love. No one's going to make your dream happen but you. So if you want to be a YouTuber, just go hard on it. You feel me? Do the best you can, but go hard on it. And be you. Just talk you. Just be you. I know people done said that, and I truly think that's cool. Just be who you truly are, so you don't have to front. You ain't gotta worry, did I say the right thing? Just do what you do. And whoever don't like it, don't like it. Whoever like it, like it. Facts. You feel me? So that's it, y'all. Just my thoughts. You know what I mean? If I haven't met you yet, my name is Creator. This is We Shoot Films, and I talk tech. I teach about video and lighting. I teach you. I'm a content coach. I do all of these things because I've done it for so long. I know what I'm talking about. I really do. I know how to tell people how to get to where they need to get. Show people. You know what I mean? And I love doing that. So if you're into those types of things, that type of information, think about subscribing or don't. It's all on you. You know what I mean? It's all on you, my G. So that's it, man. It is what it is. I'm done. All right. Push forward. Keep God first. You know what I'm saying? And do your best. All right. Like I always say, it is what it is. I'm out.